everyone, you are welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I made um tilapia fish pepper soup. So I start by cleaning and washing my fish properly. So here are the ingredients I will be using. I have some hot ground pepper. I have some crushed pepper also. Here I have crayfish, uda, ehuru, ginger powder, garlic powder, uziza powder, mixed pepper soup spice. I have some all-purpose seasoning and some stock cube or seasoning cubes. So right here I have some diced white onion. You can use any onion you have, and I have dried nshawu leaf, that's scent leaf. So to start, I'm going to add all the um, spices in the pot, followed by the onions and the dried nshawu leaf. I've already hydrated, like soak it in the water, wash it properly with salt and rinse it out. Then I'm going to follow by adding some water, enough water to cook the pepper soup. Okay, so then stir it properly, test for salt. If you don't have enough salt, you can add more salt. My dear, if you prepare your pepper soup this way, it tastes so delicious. So after mixing and set it on the stove, and set my stove on medium to high. So after that, I'm going to go ahead placing the fish in the pot, start placing your fish inside that mixture. Try this method, you will come back and thank me, because this will make your fish cook properly, make it mix properly with all the spices and seasoning you have in the pot, and it makes everything marry themselves properly. So what I'm doing here is trying to make sure the fish is well saturated in the mix, in the seasoning mix. Then cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how your stove cooks. So as you can see here, it's been over 20 to 30 minutes and the fish is properly cooked. Look at it. Very delicious. And there you go. Our tilapia fish pepper soup is ready. Ready and yummy. Very good for this cold weather. The weather is cold here. This is what you need to beat the cold weather. You can serve this with chilled beer, even if it's cold. But this is pepper soup, and it's very, very hot, so you need chilled beer to cool it down. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.